So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my hair these beautiful pastel colours. If you want to know how I did it, then keep on watching. So the dyes I'm going to be using is Arctic Fox Girls Night, Arctic Fox Periwinkle and the Arctic Mist Diluter. I was thinking about using the Girls Night on the ends of my hair, then the Periwinkle I'm going to use on my roots. So I'm going to mix the colour for my roots first. I'm going to use the Periwinkle. Just going to put it in this big bowl. And now I'm only going to add a very small amount of the Arctic Mist Diluter. So only a little bit. Give it a good mix. There we go. I'm going to put the colour for my mid-lengths in this bowl, taking the Girls Night hair dye. I'm going to put that straight into the bowl. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Arctic Mist Diluter. Give it a good mix. And there we go. There's the two colours that I will be putting on my hair. So we have Periwinkle for the roots and Girls Night for the ends of the hair. Right, let's apply to the hair. Okay, so my hair has faded to this beautiful white blonde colour, and this was from Periwinkle from Arctic Fox. So I know that the Periwinkle hair dye will fade to this really nice blonde colour, because I know how hard some hair dyes can be from fading, and they can leave a very bad stain in the hair. But these hair dyes, they leave your hair the most beautiful shade of blonde. I'm going to focus on my roots first with the Periwinkle hair dye. And I'm probably going to do it a couple inches from the roots till about here, and then I'm going to apply the Girls Night to the rest of the hair. So kind of like a dip dye ombre, but I'm just going to go with the flow. So I'm going to start applying this Periwinkle colour. Has to be one of my favourite colours of hair dye. So I'm just going to work in sections, just going to part my hair and then repeat brushing it on. Oh, that reminds me, so I'm just going to tie my dreadlocks. We have 15 dreadlocks altogether, and I wasn't planning on dyeing these because they're still in that process of maturing and tightening up, getting all nice and dreaded. Putting conditioner based hair dye on these would probably make them unravel or reverse all the work we've done with the crochet needle. I'm gonna leave them out today. I'm not going to dye them. So I'm just going to blend the Periwinkle dye down my hair a little bit using my fingers. Okay, so now I'm happy with this side. I'm going to finish putting Periwinkle on this side. Okay, so I've pretty much finished doing the front and the sides of my hair, and now I'm just going to finish doing the Periwinkle on the back of my hair with a mirror in front of me so I can see. And normally I put a towel down before I start dyeing my hair, so I forgot to do that this time. But we haven't had any incidents yet. Now the periwinkle has been put on to the roots, going down to the mid-lamps. We're going to apply the lavender colour, Girls' Night. This is mixed with a very small amount of the diluter, just to make it a little bit more pastel-y. So I'm just going to apply this onto the rest of my hair and we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, I'm just going to stick it in my hands because it's so beautiful. It makes me want to eat it. So I'm just going to put this on the rest of my hair. There we go, all finished. So we have the periwinkle on the roots and then the Girls' Night on the ends. I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes and we'll see what we're left with. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the products like the hair dye, I will put a discount code in the video description box for you so you can get some money off and we can have pretty hair together. So what I'm looking forward to is actually going to be decorating dreadlocks. I do have a little bead on my dreads already. I have a couple of beads, but I want to have some threads on there and put some really nice kind of metal beads on there as well. Jazz it up a little bit more and put some accessories on these babies. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys!